Welcome back to Smart Drive Hub HUB, your go-to place for the latest motorcycle launches, reviews, and future rides. Today, we're bringing you something truly special. After a long wait, Honda has finally unveiled the all-new 2026 Honda Fury Chopper, and this bike is all about bold attitude, classic chopper styling, and raw road presence. At first glance, the 2026 Honda Fury instantly grabs attention. Its long and low stance, stretched front end, and aggressive rake give it a true factory-built chopper look. Honda has stayed true to the Fury's identity while refining the design to feel more modern and premium. The fuel tank flows smoothly into the seat, while the minimalist bodywork keeps the bike clean and muscular. The wide rear tire and sleek exhaust system add to its powerful road presence, making the Fury impossible to ignore whether it's parked or cruising down the highway. Under the tank, the 2026 Honda Fury is powered by a proven V-twin engine that delivers strong low-end torque. This bike isn't built for racing, it's built for relaxed cruising with authority. The engine response feels smooth, making it perfect for long rides and city cruising alike. Honda has also focused on rider comfort. The low seat height gives confidence at stops, while the forward set foot pegs offer that classic stretched-out chopper riding position. The wide handlebars provide good control and comfort, especially on longer rides. When it comes to handling, the Fury surprises many riders. Despite its long wheelbase, the bike feels stable and planted on the road. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing road imperfections while keeping the ride smooth and enjoyable. Modern touches are subtle but effective. The instrument cluster remains clean and easy to read, giving you all the essential information without distraction. Honda's build quality is clearly visible in every detail, from the paint finish to the overall fit and finish of the bike. Overall, the 2026 Honda Fury Chopper is a perfect blend of classic chopper style and Honda reliability. It's designed for riders who want to stand out, enjoy relaxed cruising, and own a bike with serious personality. Now we want to hear from you. What do you think about the new Honda Fury? Do you like its bold chopper design, or would you change something? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this first look, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Smart Drive Hub HUB, and stay tuned for more exciting motorcycle content coming your way.